Hey everybody, and welcome to the vlog. We are vlogging today. I have a lot of stuff to do. I just got ready. I'm going to head into work to film a couple of videos. Then I have to go into the mall, get some food, just some running around. And I figured I would take you guys along with me. So let's get with it. Let's go. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be wearing in the video shoot. So I wanted to find something that was casual enough for me to go to the mall and just kind of knock around, and if I ended up doing something afterwards, whatever. But then I also needed something that was like business professional. I did my nails too, guys. I needed something that was business professional for the video shoot that I was doing. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be wearing, and then I'll show you it on and see how I think about it, and we'll go from there. Okay, so this is what I'm going to wear. I have my super puff jacket. I haven't worn it yet, so I really want to wear it. I have a pair of leather trousers from Zara, this Zara blazer, and a white button-up, and then my Jimmy shoes for the shoot. I wanted to wear a skirt, but I don't want to wear a skirt because it's too cold out, and then just like casually, so I'll leave the pants and the shirt on, and then I thought I'd put on these sneakers. I have like all my camera equipment here, almost ready to go except for my ring light. I'm packing up a bag. There's a lot of things that I have to do. I don't know what purse I'm gonna take with me yet, but I will let you guys know. I have a candle burning. This candle is like actually one of my favorites. It was given to me by a friend. It smells so good. It has a wooden wick. I actually really like it. It smells super good, but I'm gonna blow it out right now. But okay, it's out. I'm gonna put my outfit on. So the next thing that you'll probably see is me in these outfits just to see what they look like. Okay, so this was the look, and I'm kind of don't have it like situated very well, but this was the look with the brown blazer. So like the leather pants, the oversized kind of button up, it's kind of like a high-low thing, and then the brown blazer and the silver chain necklace, and then of my just pearl earrings. Now I don't feel like the blazer is doing anything for this look, so I'm going to try a different blazer and see what it looks like. So here's the other option in terms of jacket, which I think I like better. It's just a little bit more fitted. This pocket is out, but just a little bit more fitted in terms of kind of like the blazer, and I think it's better. So I think I'm gonna go with this one, and I don't know why the pockets on both sides are messed up, but I think I'm gonna go with this blazer. And like I said, it is a kind of like corporate video that I'm doing, so I think this is good. It's still like fashionable, but not too fashionable, if you know what I mean. I'll fix up the collar and stuff like that. Okay, and then for today during the day, the highlight is kind of like the jacket and also the shoes that kind of match the jacket, but I'll just put this on for today during the day. I didn't want to carry a bag so big, but whatever. It's the only one that goes. Okay, you guys, I just got to the office. It doesn't look like there's anybody here, so this is gonna be my first time going into the building by myself. Hopefully, I don't set off this alarm. I am scared. What if I set off the alarm? I really don't want the owners to like get the phone call saying, oh, you set off the alarm. Ooh. Okay, let's try this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I did it. That was nerve-wracking. Now, the question is, actually, I don't think it matters if I can get lights on or not, because I have my own lighting. But, oh my gosh, okay, that was nerve-wracking. I disarmed the system, I did it. Now, I don't know how to turn it back on, but whatever, we'll see. So, I was gonna film in this area here. I think it'll be nice. Yeah, I'm gonna film in here. Okay, perfect. So I just finished recording at the office. It is now, what, 5:03, and I need to run to the mall to do some returns for my mom, but also to look at some stuff for myself. So let's get going, and I will show you what my mom got at Louis Vuitton. It's actually kind of cute. I like it a lot. Okay, guys, so it is the day after. So my whole day got kiboshed yesterday after I went into the office to film those videos and rudda. So I am now at the mall today, so I'm going to take you with me. I have to go to Louis Vuitton, I have to go to Zara, do a return, and then I'm also going to see what potentially I could get from Zara, because you guys always love all of my fashion videos. So I'm going to see what I can get from Zara, Louis Vuitton, and then probably pick up some food. I'm not too sure. Maybe I might take you guys with me for food. I don't know yet. What is on my face? My skin is kind of freaking out right now. I have no idea what's going on. And like, I'm wearing my glasses and I have to put a mask on. Anyways, and when I get back home, I will show you my outfit of the day, what I am wearing. It is super cute. I actually really like this look, and I filmed 2 videos this morning for you guys. So content is coming, content is coming. And does it come in that beige? If you made it to the end of this vlog, I know it was kind of all over the place, but thank you for sticking around. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. You have to subscribe to see what's in the Louis Vuitton bag, right? Okay, so just go ahead and do it.